Ever wondered how a 60-year-old manufacturing giant skyrocketed its online sales by 85%? In this video, discover how eCrimes Direct partnered with Massrogue to achieve an extraordinary ROAS of 5.65x through cutting-edge SEM strategies. Formerly known as Grimes Abrasives Limited, eCrimes Direct is a trusted one-stop supply solution for industrial products across Canada. Since 1959, eCrimes has been providing its customer with a comprehensive selection of industrial supply products, new and innovative manufacturing goods, and exceptional and in-depth expertise. Being one of the North America's best industrial supply distributors, eCrimes prides itself on providing products from proven brands and manufacturers. But even with their long-standing success, eCrimes hit significant roadblocks that threatened to undermine their B2B growth. They were facing difficulties and their products were getting disapproved on Google Merchant Center due to discrepancies in the prices between their website and data feed. They were also facing difficulty in targeting B2B customers who were looking for bulk purchases from their website. To tackle these obstacles, Massrogue experts devised a tailored CABR strategy. Let's see how we turn tides for eCrimes. We began segmenting Google ad campaigns for eCrimes based on their various product categories. Thus, we created separate Performance Max campaigns for both performing and underperforming products. We also launched a separate campaign for products which were priced above $1,000. The next step involved identifying the most suitable audience for eCrimes. Our research pinpointed audiences interested in auto parts and accessories, home improvement, industrial products, material handling equipment, work safety gear, power supplies, manufacturing services, and wholesale shopping. Thereafter, we added audience segments to our Google Ads for proper audience targeting. We then focused on creating brand awareness for eCrimes by launching brand awareness campaigns for them. Display campaigns were also created to increase products' reach in multiple places across various online platforms. Lastly, we worked on creating and targeting remarketing audiences to engage the past buyers and website visitors. Our remarketing audiences were based on Google CPC, organic purchases, direct purchases, Bing Organic, Walmart.ca's referral, and Thomasnet.com's referral. Our CABR approach for search engine marketing solutions made a big difference. We managed to get eCrimes products which were previously disapproved approved within 6 months. Apart from that, eCrimes witnessed significant growth in key metrics like conversions increased from 29 to 42, conversion rate increased from 0.30% to 0.46%, impressions increased from more than 5 lakhs to more than 6 lakhs, conversion value increased from more than 8,000 Canadian dollars to more than 16,000 Canadian dollars, and ROAS increased from 3.08x to 5.65x. Want to achieve a remarkable feat just like eCrimes? Connect with us and let's make your success happen.
Visit Massrogue.